You can see this candlestick. This is a zone where crude oil opened on Friday, and what we expected is that crude can take a support till 5400, and you can go for buying till 5390 as a stop loss, having 5390 as a stop loss. That is what we expected. Actually we expected crude to stay in uptrend. Let us see what happened after the price opened here, and there is a consolidation here for a while. You can see there is a market consolidated initially, and then it struggled to move either way, but it was maintaining a uptrend. See, you can see that it is only a 15-point gain. After a long time it is consolidating, and this consolidation continued for a long time. You can see how long this is, our tiny, very tiny candlesticks. So the consolidation continued for a long time. Then in the evening session it just gave a drop down, and you can see the amount of buying it happened when it tested this 5420, which is a very major support for crude oil. So after coming near this 5420, it took the support, and you can see these dotted lines. It is also a support initially, which it took in the morning session. You can see the small let me enlarge this. You can see the small candles. Exactly in this zone it took the support around 5425, and it is a very huge gain. After this it broke all the resistance, and it went till 5570. This is a very huge gain in crude oil market, because we expected the market to test 5520. That is our target, but it far exceeded our targets and limits. Then it consolidated. You can see, and again 5520 is also a very good resistance zone, and it closed around 5500. When we compare the closing, that is 5500 is the closing, and comparing with the opening, which is around 5430, you can very well see the closing is much higher than the opening. And also Saturday the market closed just below that, and today we are expecting crude to open around the same zone, around this 5480s to 90s. So on comparing the open and closing, we can see the market trend is much clear, right? It's higher. So we can today also we can expect crude to go in an uptrend. That is, there will be buying in crude oil, but you can follow the support and resistance zones very carefully. 5480 and this zone 5420 is going to act as a major support for crude oil today. So even whenever the price is dropping, you can go for buying an average till this 5420 zone, and you can place a stop loss around 5410, unless until we see a closing. Also today we expect some closing above this 5520 to once again confirm us the trend, the crude oil trend, because for the past few weeks we are watching the crude is consolidating in a very sideways price movement. When we see it in the international market, is trading between $104 and $108. Within $4 the market is consolidating for a long time, but it is maintaining its uptrend. That is a good news for us. Crude is maintaining its uptrend. So today we are expecting crude oil to stay higher, and also today we expect crude to close above 5520. That can pull this market to 5560 initially. You can make a note of this first target, 5560 initially, and also 5600 and 620 is a near future target for crude oil. It can happen today, even today, because the price volatility is high nowadays. It can happen today or in the coming week, but we need a confirmation today, and we are expecting crude to go higher based on the previous week price movements. But if the price is closing above 5520, it can give us a confirmation that the price can eventually reach this our mentioned targets, before mentioned targets. Let us see what's going to happen in during our trading session. Thanks for watching our video. Take care. Bye.